Hello everyone. In the last session we have discussed about 5 phases of hacking. In today's session we will learn about how information gathering can be performed using passive methods. We will use Google Dorking for collecting information passively. Let's see what it is.
Imagine this. A massive data breach exposes millions of sensitive records, leading to identity theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. What if the hackers used a simple yet powerful tool to uncover vulnerabilities in the company's systems? That tool is called Google Dorking. It's a technique that leverages advanced Google search operators to find specific information on the internet. By combining these operators, you can uncover hidden databases, exposed files, and even vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. Google Dorking, also known as Google hacking, offers several advantages for both security professionals and individuals interested in information gathering. At first, we will discuss about file-type-specific searches. File-type-specific searches allow you to specify a particular file format when searching for content on the web using the file-type search operator. To perform a file-type-specific search, use the following format: file type, file extension, then your search query. Each search operator is separated by colon. Here we can see I search for file type, PPT of cybersecurity. We can see the result every site will PPT of cybersecurity is coming up. The in-URL operator instructs search engines to look for web pages that contain specific words or phrases in their URLs. In URL operator, follow this format. In URL, specific word or phrase. Here I am searching for login.php. This will bring you any URL which contain the page login.php. Here we can see in the URL every page have result login.php. This operator is used to find result based on URL. The difference between in URL and all in URL is if you search for in URL gift box, it will return URLs where the word gift appears in the address or word box appears in address. Or both will be there. All in URL operator, it ensures that all the specified terms are part of the web page's address. Example: if you search for all in URL gift card Amazon, it will show URLs containing all three words gift, card, and Amazon. Here we can see all the search keywords are in the URL. Next one is in title and all in title. In title is particularly useful when you want to find pages where a specific term appears prominently in the title. Example: if you search for in title recipes, Google will return pages with recipes in their titles. Here let's do a practical. I am searching for in title cyber attack US. Now we have obtained some result. Here we can see the title have word cyber only. It doesn't have full search content. Like in URL, it will bring either one result or all of them. Now I am modifying the search with all in URL operator. It ensures that all the specified terms are part of the web page's title. Here we can see the result web page have all the keywords in the title. Next operator we will discuss is site operator. When you include site in your Google search query, you're telling Google to limit the search results to a particular website or domain. Here is an example. I am searching for whitehouse.governor using cite command. Let's see the result. Here you can see all the result is leading us to only one result. That is White House, government, which means it will restrict all other result and display exact search content. Let's dive into some advanced Google Dork commands. If we want to find open cameras that aren't restricted by IP address, these dorks retrieve live camera web pages. Here we can see by using in URL, view, SHTML, network camera, we are able to see camera view which is live. We can also try camera live image in URL, guest image, HTML, which will find same result.